Today on this review, we got the Flat Tire Defender. I had one for my enduro bike. I really liked it, so I thought I'd order one for the gravel bike. And the box. Before installation, be sure to review product information, installation video, and safety warranty information at flattiredefender.com. Thanks for rolling with us and enjoy the ride. Minimize pinch flats, rim damage, enhance suspension performance, increase sidewall lateral stiffness, increase traction. Alright, what's in the box? Looks like I got the invoice, foam insert manual, 1, 2, couple zip ties, and some Flat Tire Defender stickers. I like the cap for super glue. 1 valve stem, 2 valve stems, and the little valve core tool to take the valve core off. Alright, I'm going to put them back together for now so I don't lose them. Alright, let's go see this next step. That was the unboxing. If you are interested in purchasing the Flat Tire Defender Gravel, I will have the link below. And if you like, subscribe, like, comment, and next part will be the installation.